Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Walgreens. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies with Walgreens, start by understanding the target market. Research the demographics of Walgreens customers. Identify the products that are most frequently purchased. Analyze seasonal trends that impact sales. Take note of current promotional campaigns at Walgreens. Develop a clear understanding of the competitive landscape. Consider partnerships with local businesses for cross-promotion. Next, create a detailed sales plan outlining goals and targets. Incorporate digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media platforms to engage with potential customers. Implement a loyalty program to encourage repeat business. Train staff on selling techniques that enhance customer interaction. Collect customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Monitor sales data regularly to track progress. Adjust your strategies based on performance metrics. Stay informed about industry trends to remain competitive. Regularly evaluate partnerships and marketing efforts for effectiveness. Leverage seasonal promotions to boost sales during peak times. Remember to maintain a strong online presence for brand visibility. Consider hosting in-store events to attract foot traffic. Create visually appealing displays that highlight top products. Utilize Walgreens' website for e-commerce opportunities. Focus on building relationships with loyal customers over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.